how to create wavy text effects in Canva. Open your preferred web browser and head over to Canva by typing canva.com into the address bar and pressing enter. Once you're on Canva's homepage, open up a presentation template of your choice. You can choose any template that suits your needs. Next, let's add some text to our design. Simply hit the T key on your keyboard to bring up a text box. Now we'll adjust the font size to make it more visible and click on the bold option to make the text stand out more prominently. With the text highlighted, go ahead and type the word Wavy into the text box. We'll now create a duplicate of this text. Simply duplicate it and move the new text box to a different location. Highlight it and change the text to say Effects. To start creating the wavy text effect, navigate to the Effects option located in the top menu bar and click on it. On the left-hand side, under the Shape section, find and select the Curve option. You'll notice that your text is now curved. Adjust the curve setting to 60 to give our first text the desired arc. Let's apply a similar effect to the second text. Click on the second text box, go back to the Curve option on the left, and this time set the curve to -60. This will complete our wavy effect. Finally, adjust the positioning of the second text to perfectly align, creating a seamless wavy look. And there you have it.